Hello all, happy Friday, and here we are. We made it. The last unit of the year. All right. And unlike the other units, today's does not have a reading. I know, it's amazing, right? Dad joke moments. All right. Anyway, back to it. So before we talk about the assignment, keep in mind that continue to accept redos and late work. Just make sure you submit it via Google Classroom and send an email. And this is an individual assignment, so please make sure that you have only your work. So you'll click on the Edpuzzle and complete it. Here is a preview of the questions that will be in that you'll be watching in this video or answering this video. You'll be introduced to this term globalization. So 1, how has the world globalized according to this video? 2, what does it mean to argue globalization is flattening? Question 3 here, you need to have an understanding with question 2. So question 3 is, by contrast, what is meant to argue that globalization is lumpy? 4, does the global economic data from the past 50 years to 100 years presented in this video support the idea that the world is becoming more equal or less equal? 5, how does the history of Detroit show both the advantages and disadvantages of globalization? Globalization looks a lot different in other places outside of Hillsborough, and it is definitely hotly contested. Like, to give you an example, my dad thinks globalization is false. So keep that also in mind for what it's worth. 6, think about the full history presented in this video. Which of the trends from the early units of the course are important in our world today? Have these trends changed or stayed the same? Explain your reasoning. So thinking, especially from about December on, but over the course of the last 500 years that we've been studying on planet Earth, what trends have changed or stayed the same? Are they still important for us today? Looking forward to reading your wrap-up questions for your regional conflicts. And as always, if you have any questions, please send an email. I hope all is well, and take care.